My name is Lindsay Ryder. I'm from Craven Community College, and this is an informative speech. My name is Lindsay Ryder, and I'm going to tell you about the MESTEP program. This program is to allow active duty Marines and active reserves to seek their bachelor's degree while still with active duty status and pay. There is qualifications to be able to put in your package. You have to get an ACT score of 1,000, a SAT score of 1,000, a ACT score of 22, or a Armed Forces qualification score of 74. Sorry. You have to meet the requirements of physical fitness for officers. You have to apply for your college before putting your application in. At the end of every fiscal year, there's a series of boards that you have to go through, and your package goes through the chain of command, and they then select the people the Marines that they want to get into the program. The GI Bill is there for you to pay for your classes. Then, if the GI Bill does not cover everything, you either apply for scholarships or for grants, or you have to pay out of pocket. After you're finished with your bachelor's degree, then you go to officers